Okay, imagine it is fall, leaves are crunching underfoot, you want to bring that cozy vibe inside your home. These TURNMEON maple leaf lights are lit, literally. They look amazing both day and night. Check this out, the leaves are huge at 4 inches. It's like nature's confetti minus the mess. Spook up your Halloween with these colorful lights. Trust me, your neighbors will be jelly. And yes, they scream Thanksgiving too. Impress your fam with this lit decor. No cords needed, just pop in 3 AA batteries. Setup is as easy as pie, and you know I like pie. You get 2 modes, steady and flashing. Perfect for when you're feeling festive or chill. Rain, no biggie. These leaves are waterproof. Bring on the fall weather without a worry. Use them inside for that cozy living room vibe, or outside to shine bright like a diamond. Create a display so cute, it could be on Pinterest. Your socials will thank you for it. In short, these lights are a fall essential. You need them in your life like yesterday. So what are you waiting for? Click to grab yours. Missing out is more painful than stepping on a Lego.